Hello planning couple. Welcome to Garbh Sanskar Guru mobile application. If you are planning for the pregnancy and if you are facing any sort of issue in conceiving pregnancy, if you wanted to conceive naturally, if you have gone through IUI or IVF and you wanted to improve or increase the chances of conceiving baby, if you are looking for knowledge or the pregnancy planner, then this video session is for you. Try to attend it till end. So as far as this session goal is concerned, what exactly you are going to understand, how you can successfully conceive the pregnancy, and just beyond that, just one step beyond that, how can you have happy, healthy, sanskari and intelligent child, and what are the science behind that, what are the scientific and ancient science-based approaches available to conceive naturally or to improve the chances of conceiving baby. That was the ultimate goal of this particular session. But before getting into the session, let me ask you the simple question: are you ready to conceive the baby? Are you physically and mentally ready to conceive the baby? Because it is well said that pregnancy should be by choice, not by chance. So by considering this particular word, let me explain you few scientific research papers that have been conducted on the planning couple, pregnancy planners. So as per modern scientific research, what is the impact of stress on the fertility? Stress can potentially have the impact on fertility. Some researches suggest that stress can lead to irregular menstrual cycles, which can make it more difficult to conceive. High level of stress might also affect sperm count and sperm health in men as well. Even another scientific research paper also says there is a great impact of lifestyle on the fertility. Whatever lifestyle you are living, lifestyle factors such as smoking, alcohol consumption, lack of physical activity, and unhealthy diet can negatively affect fertility in both men and women. And here are some more research papers which is also saying that, and as per the latest research, 40 to 50% couple are facing infertility because of lifestyle and stress issues only. So this is the red flag that you need to understand. In Garbh Sanskar Guru application, we have provided one assessment test for the planning couple. So in the application, just go to the pregnancy planning quiz or assessment test banner, click on that. It is going to ask you a few questions. Just answer it honestly and we'll generate one report. Just go through that report. Being a planner, what kind of thing you should focus on in future, what is your current state, and what you should do to improve the chances of conceiving the baby. That detailed report would be available after completing that assessment test that is available in Garbh Sanskar Guru mobile application. Now, whatever modern science has proved nowadays, ancient Indians, ancient scientists, I would say complete scientists, Rishi Muni and sages have defined the lifestyle of any human being under 16 different sections, that is known as 16 sanskar, 16 sanskar. So as per 16 sanskar, 16 sanskar, being a planner, there is one specific sanskar called Garbhdhan sanskar, and that sanskar gives you the perfect guideline to improve your lifestyle during pregnancy planning. Some people also refer that Garbhadhan Sanskar as a Beej Sanskar. So, after studying ancient science, after studying modern science, 100 plus expert teams have prepared one, lifestyle, one routine, daily routine for you guys. And if you are going to practice that routine on a daily basis, then definitely, whatsoever may be the reason, it is definitely gonna improve your chances for conceiving the baby. So, before explaining you the whatever routine we have prepared for you guys, let me explain you, being a planner, what is to be done as per ancient science and as per modern scientific research paper. So being a planner, there are two stages. Stage number one, before you conceive, before you go for the conceiving the baby, what is to be done? Ancient science and modern science suggests that lifestyle correction cannot happen in a one day, right? So at least before 3 months, you should start practicing these kind of things, being a planner. So whenever you are planning for the pregnancy, what is to be done and what is to be taken care? First thing, before conception, you should go for body and mind purification. basically whatever habits you are having, whatever bad habits you are having, if you wanted to improve, then start working on those habits. If you are having any disease right now in your body, if you are having any sort of deficiency in your body, then go and get the medication to improve your body conditions. So first let your body ready to conceive the baby, and then you need to work upon the mind purification as well. So first point that you should focus is body and mind purification. Second point before conception you should focus is your diet purification, or I would say diet corrections. So rather than going for what to eat, rather than searching for what to eat, you should focus on how to eat. So what we recommend you to practice the sattvic diet. Now what is sattvic? The food which is prepared with a positive state of mind, and food which is eaten with the positive state of mind, that is known as sattvic diet. And as far as planning is concerned, in the application I am going to suggest you to follow the diet chart, which is going to ultimately help the improving the fertility rate. So that's what I am going to explain towards the end. Now whenever you are conceiving, you should start following yoga, pranayama and meditation, and you should start practicing some sort of positive thoughts at least 3 months before conceive the baby. And please make sure you refrain from TV, social media and OTT content which leads to the negativity. So whenever you are planner, you should plan like this way. You should start living and following this particular advice. Now whenever you are going for the conception, at the time of conception, what is to be taken care? So at the time of conception, it is essentially, it is most required thing to have excellent mental state. Yes, you are required to be in excellent mental state whenever you are going to conceive the baby. So whatever tension you might have, just get rid of those tensions, keep those tensions out of your bedroom, and then go for the process of conception. So this is must follow advice for every planning couple. Now which is the best time for planning? As per ancient and modern science, spring and rainy season is considered as the most fertile season. Even nature is more fertile in this season. So rainy season and spring season is considered as the best season to conceive the baby. And as far as timing is concerned, our shastras, our scriptures says evening 9 to 11 and morning 4 to 6, that is known as Brahma Muhurat, right? So that is the best time to go for the conception. And whenever you are going for the conception, please make sure whatever bedroom you are having, that should be in a proper position. Bed odor is not needed in the room. So good fragrance has to be there, bedroom has to be neat and clean, ventilation has to be proper. So at least that should be taken care whenever you are going for the conception. So these are the advices after studying ancient science and modern science, and if you are following these advices, then definitely that is going to improve your chances of conceiving baby naturally and successfully as per Garbhadhan Sanskar. Right? Now the ultimate point, if I would like to summarize the content, so what is the thing, the crux of the matter is, you need to focus on diet and exercise, you need to focus on lifestyle, you need to focus on habit, and you need to focus on positive thoughts. So diet plus lifestyle plus positive thought becomes your lifestyle, right? Now how to improve the lifestyle and how to reduce the stress, that is the burning question. So as I told, our team of experts have prepared daily routine, 7 activity based routine that you can start following from today for next 90 days. That is 3-month routine, and this is world's such first course available in this world, which is scientifically and backed by modern science as well as ancient science, right? So we have prepared systematic course, systematic routine, systematic program for you guys, which is going to help you for the lifestyle improvement. In this course, on a daily basis, you are going to get one reading material which is going to help you to improve your thoughts in a positive manner. We are also going to provide you habit improvement activity, that is personalized and customized activity, where you will simply go to the habit improvement and we will ask you which habit you wanted to work upon. You will simply select, we'll ask you a few questions as well just to understand what is your current state, and on that basis we'll provide you 7 days activities further to follow. After 7 days you can work upon the new habit improvement. Then after, we are also going to provide you daily 1 couple activity to rejuvenate your relationship. You are gonna simply love these activities. Along with that, we are also going to provide you affirmations and guided meditations. It is scientifically proven, if you if planning couple practicing affirmations, meditation, guided meditation, then that improves the chances of conceiving the baby. So that is activity number 4. Activity number 5 that you are going to receive is video and music. That is stress buster activity for you guys. Along with that, activity number 6, yoga and pranayam. Daily you are going to get your routine, which yoga and pranayam you need to practice, right? So you can simply follow that. Video guidance is also given over there. And 7th activity is Sattvic diet. Daily you are going to receive your today's 5-meal diet chart, diet tips, recipes. 200 plus recipes are also available, and nutrition guidance. And this diet and yoga is planned in such a manner that is going to boost your fertility, and that is going to improve your chances of conceiving baby naturally, right? So these are 7 activity based solutions that what our team of experts have prepared, and if you are going to practice it for next 90 days, then I assure, if you are not having any medical issues, then definitely that is going to improve your chances of conceiving baby naturally. Now, in a nutshell, daily 7 activities are already there. In addition to that, we are having 40 plus hours of recorded videos that you can refer if time permits. Even we have prepared world's first book on pregnancy planner that you can refer. That is the Garbhadhan Sanskar book that is available in the application that you can refer, and as and when needed, one-on-one counseling on WhatsApp or call would be provided to you, but that is going to be the non-medical counseling. In case of any medical issues, we would recommend you to go to the doctor. So that is the thing that we are offering, and those who are going to join this particular program today, for them I am offering 2 complimentary gifts. Gift number 1, classes, live yoga classes for the planning mothers. Yes, if you are a planning mother and if you wanted to get the yoga support in addition to the 7 activities in terms of live classes, then the best yoga expert would come every day evening 6 to 7 p.m. 6 days a week, and that would be in English language, right? So you can get that yoga classes, live yoga classes for next 90 days. That would be available to you. That is gift number 1, and that is complimentary. I'm not charging anything for that. This is gift number 1. And gift number 2, I am offering every week. We are having expert sessions, from various domain. People would come and interact with you live like this way, on Zoom session that you can join through application only. So various topics will be discussed related to pregnancy, planning, even post-pregnancy topics will also be discussed over there. So these are the 2 additional complimentary gifts that I can offer you if you are joining that 7 activity-based program. So that's it as far as this particular video session is concerned. Now the question should be like how to subscribe this course. So to subscribe this plan, pregnancy planning plan, what you need to do, simply go to the subscribe button, which is located on top left corner on the screen. Even under profile, that subscribe button is also available, or on the dashboard, like just subscribe course or start trial options would be available. If you wanted to try this activities for next 3 days, then you can go for the start free trial, and if you are convinced, then you can go for the subscribe course. Simply click on that, you will be redirected to the payment screen. Just click on the pay button, which is located on the bottommost option. Once you are clicking on pay button, you will be redirected to the secure payment gateway. Over there, all UPI payment options are available, like Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, along with net banking, credit card, debit card. All facilities would be available. Just complete the payment with the method whatever convenient to you. Once your payment is done, immediately your course content would be unlocked, and on your registered WhatsApp number you will receive one guidance video. Just go through that so that you can come to know how to use this particular application after subscribing the course, and how to access the services of this particular application. And on your registered email address you will receive one email invoice as well. So ultimate point is that being a planning couple, this is the right time to nurture these seeds, because whenever your eggs are making in process, whenever sperm making in process, and at that time if you are working on your lifestyle corrections, then that is going to strengthen the eggs and the sperm, right? And that is going to help conceive naturally. That was modern sciences, that was the ancient sciences. Ultimate point is that you cannot build the strong building on the weak base, right? So by considering that, I am just ending the session. If you have got any query, helpline number is flashing on the screen. You can just get back to us on this particular helpline number. We'll pray for your happy and healthy planning. May God bless you with a successful conception. Happy planning. Thanks a lot.